Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Facebook Messenger app on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, gotta find your Play Store or Google Play Store, okay? Tap on it. If it's allowed, now go ahead and use the search function at the very bottom. And at the very top, you have the search bar. Just tap on it and just type down Messenger, okay? Tap on Messenger and you'll be able to see a ton of Messenger right here. But all you got to do is just find the Messenger with this icon. Okay. So tap on it so you can check it, review everything right here. And then once that's done, just tap on install. Wait for the process to finish. And if you want to, you could go ahead and enable auto open when it's ready. If not, you can just manually tap on open right here later on. All right. And as you can see here, it's done. Now go ahead and tap on open. And by the way, you will be able to find the Messenger icon or app icon right here under your app section. If you want to, you could go ahead and tap and hold and add it to your home section. Okay, there you go. Open it and just log in with one of your Messenger accounts. That is it. That's how simple it is to install Facebook Messenger app on an Android phone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.